Countries you can visit with a B1B2 visa. United States, excluding American Samoa, which has its own immigration rules. Mexico, can visit up to 180 days. Belize, can visit up to 30 days. Guatemala, can visit up to 90 days. Honduras, can visit up to 90 days. El Salvador, can visit up to 90 days. Nicaragua, can visit up to 30 days. Costa Rica, can visit up to 30 days. Panama can visit up to 30 days if the visa holder has visited U.S. at least once. Bahamas can visit up to 30 days. Cuba can visit up to 30 days. Visitor needs a tourist card obtainable from Cuban embassies, authorized airlines, and travel agencies. Dominican Republic can visit up to 30 days. Sint Maarten can visit up to 30 days. Antigua and Barbuda can visit up to 30 days. Aruba can visit up to 30 days. Curaçao can visit up to 30 days. Colombia can visit up to 90 days. Peru can visit up to 180 days. Turkey. Visa is not exempt, but Indian passport holders can apply for a 30-day e-visa. Georgia can visit up to 90 days. Albania can visit up to 90 days if the visa holder has visited U.S. at least once. Macedonia can visit up to 15 days. Montenegro can visit up to 30 days. Serbia can visit up to 90 days. Bosnia and Herzegovina can visit up to 30 days if the visitor's country has a visa regime with Bosnia and Herzegovina. United Kingdom can visit for 24 hours only if in transit to or from USA and have an onward ticket within 24 hours. United Arab Emirates. Visa is not exempt, but Indian passport holders can avail an on-arrival visa for 14 days. Qatar. Visa is not exempt, but Indian passport holders can apply for a 30-day ETA and avail an on-arrival visa. Oman. Visa is not exempt, but Indian passport holders can apply for a 30-day e-visa. São Tomé and Príncipe can visit up to 15 days. Taiwan can visit up to 30 days. Philippines. Indian passport holders can visit for 14 days, 7-day extension possible. South Korea can visit up to 30 days only if in transit with USA as final destination. Singapore can visit for 96 hours only if in transit to or from India with an onward ticket. Malaysia can visit for 120 hours only if in transit to reach the US or India.